This is Ocelot and welcome back to a Minecraft Let's Play video. I'm back to the farm I was building. As you can see, I put it in a different texture pack. And yes. So it's in a different It's in a different texture pack now. But it's the same world. Okay, so today we're going to finish building the outer part. So first we will start on the border again. Oops. Skipped one and I added one. That's weird. And I think that should be long enough. And then I'll get this. Oops. And go down a bit so I can grab this. And oops. And almost, and there. So there's the border of there. Now I'm going to skip ahead in the video and fill it in with red wool. Okay, and windows. Don't forget the windows. I forgot those last time. Okay, I will see you in a minute. And we're back. I finished it, and last video I forgot to put glass in the windows, so I went ahead and did that. Looks very nice, doesn't it? Okay, now I'll do the other border. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll finish all the rest of the borders and I will pause the video. So I'll see you again later. And we are back. I have done all the walls of this place. And pretty soon I'm going to start on the roof. So I'll start now, I guess. So I'm going to make it sort of like one of those barn roofs that, they have the little door with the chicken in it. I think that would be kind of cute. Try that again. So, I'm gonna wait to do the roof until later. Well, by the way, I will not be joined by Sheepy the Sheepish, who is going to change to, GF, GRFT, which is a tiger, because she decided that that would be something good for the new year. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year, and welcome to 2016. So, I think some of the animals I'm going to have in my barn will probably be maybe sheep, pigs, and cows. No, I don't really want to put it like that. Get a grass block out. Oh, there's a pig in here. Hello, Mr. Pig. Okay. And here's the little trail that goes through the middle. Oops, that one didn't get it. So now I'm going to get some fences out. I'm going to use oak fences. So this will be maybe for the pigs. And this could be for the sheep. This could be for the cows. And then this last one can be for the chickens. I think I'll have 5 chickens, 2 or 3 cows. No, wait. 10 chickens. Oh, no, that's a mistake. Oops, I didn't mean to break that one. Let's fix a minute. Oh my, I'm just going crazy. I'm gonna pause the video so I can fix this. I'll see you in a second. And we are back with everything being fixed again. So let's start putting the animals in. So let's start with the pigs. I'll put the pigs in here. So there'll be 5 pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now for the chickens. There will be 10 chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the cows, the sheep, there will be 5 of those as well. 3, 4, it's 5, yes, and then 3 cows. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my middle farm. I put all the animals in, but I'm gonna add some agriculture right here in the middle. Maybe, and then over here in the middle, maybe like what both of these like to eat, carrots and seeds, and then wheat. These two like to eat wheat. Hello, piggies. I should also most likely add some doors. I think I'll just do simple oak doors. That is all the time we have for today in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.